Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's vlog. It is currently Monday, June 12th. I'm here with Harper, but she is naked. She only has her panties on. I don't know why she took off her PJs. So I'm not going to show her. So today I am about to clean my floor mats. The other day I pressure washed them without thinking anything of it. Just kind of lightly rinsed them off basically. And now they feel kind of crusty and gross because it's stupid because I didn't use any cleaner or soap or anything, so duh. I wasn't really thinking about it though. But today I'm going to correct my wrongs and clean them with soap this time. Since I'm not actually getting ready for the day just yet, I'm gonna spray some dry shampoo in and let it sit. And now I'm just gonna put my hair back so that way I don't get it wet or anything because she is pretty freshly washed. We are both rocking the PJs right now because we're home. We can do what we want, okay? Dad doesn't necessarily love that we stay in our PJs for half the day, but it's whatever. More exciting news, I just ordered new sheets, so I'm currently washing those with my mattress protector, and I am so excited. I had to get rid of my other ones because I got a giant hole in them because it was at the foot of my bed. I think Maisie had made the hole, and then my foot kept getting caught on it and the hole just got bigger and bigger, and I finally had to throw them away. So I've been using my childhood looking ones like polka dots and chevron. Definitely not the vibe anymore. So I'm glad to not be using those anymore and finally have my new sheets. I ventured into the garage to see what I could find, if we had any interior cleaner for car carpets or anything, and we don't, but I did find a bucket, which I needed. There's bigger buckets up there, but I don't feel like trying to get that down, so I'm just gonna use the one that I found. And that's what I'm gonna put my soapy mixture in. Okay, my mixture has been made. I add 5 different things in there. Maybe that was a terrible idea, but I did it, and it's gonna be fine, I think. But we have our brushes. I have mine, and Harper has hers. Okay, let's drop them in. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, you ready to clean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your car?
No, my floor mats that go in my car. Yeah. Love the outfit. It's really great.
And I didn't even bring shoes.
Yeah, this morning she was like, I don't think I have clothes in my bag. And I was like, really? Go check. And she's like, oh, I do. And then she was going to put on shoes to go outside. And she's like, I actually don't have shoes. I'm like, okay, good thing we had no plans today. The trick is how I'm going to carry this without spilling it, because I did fill it up basically all the way, so. I would just like to say my car is an '02. So that's 21 years old. And I don't know if these have ever been cleaned before. They're not really that gross. The car was in my family, so I didn't buy it from someone else. But yeah, I can't wait to rinse these off. Okay, round 2 of scrubbing. Let's go. Okay, we have we have scrubbed again, and now we're gonna rinse again.
I fell again.
Okay, we are officially done cleaning them. I give them one final rinse through each, and then I have them all posted up randomly. So the 2 backseat mats are propped up on these lawn chairs, and I have the passenger side mat on this bench, and then I have my driver's side mat on this chair.
I was putting in the water, so I got really soaking wet.
Did you fall a couple times?
Yeah. around a couple times. I'm gonna have fun in the water and do this.
I just wonder how much water or like detergent water Maisie has consumed. Hopefully not a lot. Hopefully she may have tried it and been like, eh. But I don't know because I didn't really see if she was drinking it or not. Okay, update time. It has been a hot minute. After we did the mats, we came inside and we had some lunch, gave Nene some lunch. We kind of chilled out a little bit and Harper ended up falling asleep, which she like never takes naps really. So I let her have her nap and she like woke up. I made my bed with my fresh sheets. I cannot wait to sleep tonight. Nothing is better than having like, first of all, new bedding and then like freshly washed bedding. Cannot wait. I just took a shower, so it's gonna be great. Anyways, we did that. Harper's had a snack. She's played a little bit. We're actually about to leave, but I wanted to check on the floor mats before we left. So here is the passenger one, and you can like see the water line on them, but they are looking and feeling much better. When I had just rinsed them off with water, they felt so crusty and gross, and these just feel good, so that's great. This was honestly like the best setup I could have gotten. These have been drying great. They're just like a little bit of water right there. But like, how perfect is that? Look at that. And here's the driver's one, which looks the most dingy because it's the one that's used most. But you can see like the water line right there. But looking pretty good. Like I said, we're about to leave, but I'm waiting for my mom to get home because I want to take her car to drive because since I don't have floor mats, I'd rather not get the carpets and stuff all gross since it has like rained and stuff. Yeah, I'd rather not do that. Here is my beautifully made bed. I'm trying out this like really light quilt to sleep with because I've been sleeping super hot recently, and so I'm gonna try to sleep with that. So I just like kind of put my comforter at the end, and then I have this blanket. I don't know what, I don't really ever make my bed, so I'm trying. Okay, are you ready to go home with no shoes?
Yeah, because I didn't bring any.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it is a couple days later and we are going to check on the floor mats. They were moved yesterday because I said they were dry, and here they are. They look pretty dry to me. How do they feel?
Oh, not wet.
Not wet. They don't feel crusty, which is good. That's what I was worried about. So yeah, we're just gonna put them in my car, and then I think we're gonna go to the car wash just to like vacuum everything off because I think there's like grass on the bottom of them and stuff, and just like get my car feeling real nice and clean with my fresh car mats. And that's the end of it. So thank you for watching our car mat cleaning experience, and we hope you enjoyed, right?
Yeah. And after when we come back, Sissy's gonna put glue on my paper and then chalk and my filming.
Okay, yeah, whatever that was. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.